Yo, what's up everyone? Hello, namaste, namaskaram. That is your African boy Gabs Gabi. And today guys, we are having some geological trip from my college, that is Aditya College, Surampalem. So actually we came one place here in Rajmandri. The location is called Bamudu, right? In Rajmandri. So you can see around, you can show them, bro. So some geological strata, some rocks, some petroleum, geological rock. So actually, so we are just here like as part of our course, as part of our experience. We are coming here to see it live, practical. So that is all is gonna be about the vlog. We came with some faculty, some friends here, and yeah, that is it. Namaste, namaste to Big Sir. You already know it.
So we have came from somewhere here, Surampalem. This is college, right? This is I mean a lake. I mean what you call the water body. Okay, and here you have the present location. So you came all through this and you have reached here. So this is this was previously floodplain. Floodplain means the river was passing through this, and you have a deposition of that. So if you see on that line, you have a number of layers. There is a top is nothing but your gravel, and below that you have a layer. You can see the continuity of that bed which has been there existing all that. So if you see in the entire Rajahmundry, you will not find this type of outcrop. This is outcrop. So whenever you take a photograph of your outcrop, you should have a measurement. What type of measurement? Like you have a hammer. So you know what is the length of this hammer. So whenever you take a photograph of this map outcrop, you have to place somewhere such that you know the length of this. So you can estimate what is the length of the height of that outcrop. Right? So slowly what happens is this is having a different layers, alternative layers. See here, red, which is having a crossbed, crossbedding, followed by a smaller layer of shale. Like, I mean, this is a white in means it is like what you call the carbonated. So when you have a carbonate type of deposition.
So guys, now we are going up. We are going to see the rocks. You can see here are some of our faculties. The sir is here. Ma'am, say hi to my viewers. Hello.
Gamma.
Okay, bye. So we are just going up there, guys. We are climbing up to see the rocks. We are going to see everything. That is part of our course, petroleum course. Because you all know petroleum are got through those rocks, those sedimentary rocks like sandstone. So we are going to see the sandstone rock. That is where we get the petroleum, like the sedimentary rocks. Yeah. Yeah. Stay some. You can see some student.
Hey, bone.
What?
Bone.
Yeah, some bone. Yeah, this one also from crude oil, you know. Fossil also, guys. From Fossil you can get crude oil. Yeah, here are some of my classmates. Some of Adityan students. Okay. You can go up. Wow. I need to climb. Oh my gosh.
Hey, Gibbs.
Ah. I'm coming. Yeah, I'm recording, guys. Yeah, part of YouTube video.
What do you want? We will tell.
ఆడి చెప్తాడు మీ ఆర్మీ
Bear Grylls is missing.
Say something.
సే సంథింగ్
This is Rajmundry dump yard.
ఒకటి చెప్పండి ఒకటి చెప్పండి
Cheese. Tell them.
Finally we are in Rajmundry dump yard.
Share karo. Share.
Telugu.
Telugu
Chepu.
చెప్పు చూడరా అందరే
Charan bro, say something.
Charan
నాగిండే పైన రాక్ చెప్పరా ఒక రాక్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్
Chepu.
చేస్తాను
There you can see so much.
we came for the geological tour బాబు ఫోన్ కెమెరా నుంచి చాలా పైకి ఎత్తడం కదా అరే నేను దీనా
Okay, take. Now stop the video and take no more photo. Video stop. Photo. Yeah, so guys, this is the upper view from this mountain or from this hill. Halamuti Habibu. This is the sedimentary rock of Rajmundry.
Why you cutting my hair?
Yeah.
Okay, bro. दंगा ये पक्का प्लेस है.
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद फसाद मैं यहाँ पे जियोलॉजिकल टूर पे आया हूँ राजमंड्री बुमड़ू हम लोग यहाँ पे रॉक के बारे में पढ़ने आए किस तरह का रॉक होता है
Hello guys, welcome back to Gabriel's
मान
channel.
लिया खत्म
Today we are doing some geological thing. We're on the segmental.
लस कर दे भाई देयर इज अ रॉक थ्री लेयर ऑफ रॉक वन इज अ फिर इंग्लिश बोल रहा है हिंदी तीन तरह का वहाँ पे लेयर है परत है लेयर मतलब परत वहाँ पे तीन तरह का परत है पहले वाली परत जिसको सैंडस्टोन बोलते हैं दूसरी वाली वाइट वाली उजली वाली है जिसको जो मिक्सचर ऑफ कार्बन है और फिर टॉप पे वो सैंडस्टोन आता है एंड वो जो रेड है वो आयरन मिक्सचर के कारण रेड हो गया है वाइट वाला उसमें कार्बन का कुछ मिक्सचर मैग्नीशियम लाइक दैट ओके
Thank you.
हीरो birthday on the occasion of birthday of
Birthday boy, come this side. Say something. This is birthday boy. guys.
I am today is my birthday. The manager of ONGC. We are celebrating here. Muhammad Ali Khan from ONGC. Our geological specimen. Thank you.
Okay, happy birthday, bro. Enjoy. Charan, bro, you have any?
Yo, these are the samples which are needed for our geological trip. Yeah, this is shale and this is feldspar and this is sandstone. These are the three. All those in the these are made up. These are formed by the decomposition of iron ore. And this is a fine grained. And this is purely sandstone.
That's great, bro. Thank you, bro. Yeah, thank you. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Your name?
Lokesh.
Karishma.
Tiger. Yeah, she's Tiger.
Tiger Sharu.
Tiger from Maradimali. Rajnikant. She is Tiger. She is
Vaishu.
Vaishu.
Why you are calling her Tiger?
Because her name is Tiger Karishma.
Okay, thank you. Ma'am, speak something about today. Just 10 second introduction about today.
No, I don't want to say anything. It's
Ma'am,
just
why are
about
you here, ma'am?